Hi, I am the doctor. Welcome back. Today's patient is 2014 Ford Focus. It's a fuel rail pressure sensor. Very easy to change. Don't let nobody tell you different. I'm going to show you what you need and how to do it. This is all you need. A 24 wrench. My fuel rail pressure sensor. Now see how it has the 3 pins right here? It's very important. That has to be matching up with the other one. That right there. It can look all the same on the outside, but if the pins ain't the same, you lost out. Now, here's how we're gonna do it. Let me get the light here. I want everybody to be able to see. Okay. It's right here. It's right here. I know it's a tight squeeze. Right in there. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Push in. There we go. 3 pins. You see how I got that right there. Now, it's just a pressure sensor, so you don't need to really loosen it or nothing. These, all you need to do is just barely break. See it right there. Right here. And we go like this. This way too. See? There we go. You don't really have to muscle these, just break it. Just a little dial skating there. And here we are. See right here, I'm taking it out. See everything right there. See, take a look. And everyone take a look how easy it is. Just keep spinning it out. Match it up right here, make sure it's the same. How you look at it right here. Exact. The connector, everything. The pins in there, everything. See? Very easy. There you go. Here we go. Let's put it back. Hand tighten it first, and then just don't have to really tighten it with this. It's a little tight. This is on a rail, fuel rail. You gotta be very careful. A lot of people don't understand. You gotta be careful on these because it's on a fuel rail that will bend. Next thing you know, you have fuel leaking everywhere. I'm hand tightening right now, as you see right here. Hand tightening, tight, 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 tight. You see that? That's how much it is loose. I'm still hand tightening like that. And all the way as much as you can tighten it. Okay, now there it is right there. Snug in. I just give a little quick tighten like that. Right now. Like I said, I'm not trying to. There it is. See it's moving. There it is, man. Now watch. It's not too tight. Let's take a look. There we go. Like I said, you're not supposed to grill tighten these. You gotta tighten them nice and snug. Now you see it moved in there. Now I'm here again. You see that? I'll give it just a little. That's perfect. Now the connector. This is gonna go like this. There it is, snapped right in. Felt it snapped in right there with the hand, just click with a little click. There it is. Right there. That's how easy it is to change that. And I am the doctor. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think.